is a really great program that introduces young girls to the possibilities of a career in STEM. The highlight for me for the program was today at the camp, where we got to meet our young ladies today in person, and they got to demonstrate to us what they'd learnt and what their project was over the course of the last 6 months they'd been working on. And it was just really great to see their faces light up with some of the things that they'd learnt through the program.
The girls that I've mentored have been wonderful. They've been fabulous. Really smart, bright, interested girls from all over the country. So I started off in Perth, now I'm in Melbourne, and it's such a privilege just to be able to work with the girls and let them know that female engineers are human, are musical, are funny, are real people. We don't necessarily have to follow the stereotypes that you see in the media, and that's one of the really great things about being involved with the program.
And I must say I love it. You know, this is something that I feel like it's such a big, wonderful opportunity for me as a mentor to have two wonderful students this year, Leanne and Luella. And I'm just so humbled to have this opportunity with Curious Minds, and coming back again this year and hopefully coming back in the near future to give back something to these girls and showing them that the world of STEM can be wonderful, challenging, but it's also a lot of fun.
I think it's such an amazing partnership between ASI, AMT to create Curious Minds. It really is just cultivating and encouraging young women who would never have these opportunities beforehand to a career or an interest in STEM. It's opening doors for them, forming connections, and really showing them what they can do in the future.
I really enjoyed my time mentoring my two mentees and seeing their curiosity bloom for STEM, and seeing them engage in a way that is not the opportunities that they would normally have. Rural and regional and low socioeconomic areas don't typically get the way that they see their options now and how they saw them before. It was just astounding, and I could not think of a better use of time than encouraging our youth, especially our young women, into careers